Hello everyone, this is Bishir Dolu. Today I am going to show you 3 exercises which you can do easily at your home in these quarantine days. The first exercise for our chest, which is push-up. Number 2 exercise for our abdomen, which is abdominal crunches. And number 3 exercise for our legs, which is squat. Before doing the exercises, we will do some warming up exercises, because warming up is very much essential for our body. It prepares our body to do exercises and reduces the chances of injuries. So we'll do some warming up exercise first. Let's begin. We'll do spot jogging first. Now we'll do little bit of high knee. Now we'll do buttock kicks. Now we'll do jumping jacks. Now we'll do knee up hops. Now we'll do little bit of jumps. Now we'll do trunk twist. Now we are ready to do the exercises. So our first exercise for our chest, which is push up. Our second exercise for our abdomen, which is abdominal crunches. Now the last exercise for our legs, which is squat. So do exercise and stay fit.